Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best water pipe is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable ways to experience your favorite dry herbs, offering a smoother, cooler, and cleaner hit compared to traditional methods, making it a favorite among connoisseurs seeking a refined smoking session. Number 5. Dime Bags Padded Pouch. Introducing the Dime Bags Padded Pouch, designed for superior protection. Its soft velour interior safeguards your items, while the durable exterior ensures longevity. This pouch offers secure storage for your glass pieces and other essentials. Perfect for travel, it keeps your belongings safe and sound. Crafted with a tough hemster fabric exterior, this case is built to withstand daily use. It provides reliable protection against bumps and scratches. Inside, a soft velour lining gently cradles your items. This prevents scratches and ensures your valuables are kept in pristine condition. Whether you're heading out or just need safe storage at home, this protective case is your ideal companion. It combines durability with soft, secure padding. What we like. This offers excellent protection for your delicate glass items. Its durable hemster fabric exterior ensures longevity, while the soft velour interior prevents scratches. If you are looking for a secure way to store or travel with your glass pieces, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The water smoking pipe is designed with a smooth, ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its innovative filtration system effectively cools and purifies the smoke, resulting in a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. The durable glass construction ensures longevity and is easy to clean, maintaining optimal performance over time. Number 4. Majestic Pure Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. Discover the secret to a smooth, radiant glow. This scrub gently buffs away dead skin, revealing your natural luminosity. Indulge in a spa-like experience at home. It deeply hydrates, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft from head to toe. Enriched with nourishing lychee oil, it provides a luxurious scent and enhances skin suppleness. Formulated to be gentle and effective, it's perfect for all skin types seeking a revitalizing treatment. Transform your skincare routine with this powerful yet gentle exfoliant. Achieve healthier, softer, and more radiant skin. What we like. Experience a spa-like treatment with this luxurious scrub. It buffs away dead skin, leaving your body incredibly smooth and soft. If you desire a radiant glow and deeply hydrated skin all over, this is perfect for you. What people say. The water smoking pipe is designed with a smooth, ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its innovative filtration system effectively cools the smoke, providing a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. The durable glass construction ensures longevity and is easy to clean, maintaining optimal performance over time. Number 3. 100 PCS Premium Pipe Screens, Steel and Brass. This pack includes 100 pipe screens, with 50 made of premium stainless steel and 50 crafted from brass. You'll have more than enough for extended use. Measuring approximately 3-4 inch in diameter, these filters are designed to fit most pipes and bowls perfectly, regardless of their size. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and brass, these pipe filters are built to last and resist rust, ensuring a reliable experience. These screens are flexible and simple to clean, allowing for repeated use. They maintain their effectiveness even after washing. You will receive 50 stainless steel screens and 50 brass screens. Plus, enjoy our dedicated 7/24 customer service for your complete peace of mind. What we like. Never run out of filters with this generous pack. The universal 3-4 inch size fits most pipes perfectly. Made from durable stainless steel and brass, these filters are built to last and are reusable. If you need reliable and long-lasting pipe screens, this is a great value. What people say. The water smoking pipe is designed with a smooth, ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its innovative filtration system effectively cools and purifies the smoke, resulting in a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. The durable glass construction ensures longevity and is resistant to heat, making it a reliable choice for regular use. Number 2. 8 PCS 3-in-1 Stainless Steel Pipe Cleaning Tool. Introducing a set of 8 multifunctional tools designed for your smoking accessories. These handy devices are perfect for keeping your pipes clean and well maintained. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, each tool is built to last. Their robust construction ensures they can handle regular use with ease. Measuring just 8 centimeters in length, these tools are compact and easy to handle. Their slim profile makes them convenient for storage and use. Each piece features a smart 3-in-1 design, combining a reamer, tamper, and cleaner. This makes maintenance simple and efficient for all your needs. These tools are perfectly suited for use with hookahs, tobacco pipes, and water pipes. They provide a comprehensive solution for keeping them in top condition. Your purchase includes a total of 8 of these essential 3-in-1 cleaning tools. Get everything you need to maintain your smoking accessories. What we like. This 3-in-1 tool is a must-have for pipe enthusiasts. It combines reaming, tamping, and cleaning functions in one convenient device. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use accessory for your pipes and water pipes, this is an excellent addition. What people say. The water smoking pipe is designed with a smooth, ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its innovative filtration system effectively cools the smoke, resulting in a cleaner and more pleasant inhalation experience. The durable glass construction ensures longevity and is easy to clean, maintaining optimal performance over time. Number 1. Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Smoker and Grill. Experience authentic barbecue with switchable reverse flow performance. You can cook low and slow using charcoal and hardwood, or easily switch between reverse flow and traditional offset smoking. With a generous cooking space, you can smoke multiple large cuts at once. It's perfect for backyard gatherings or those longer, more ambitious cooks. Enjoy even heat and consistent results every time. For baffles beneath the grates, ensure heat and smoke are distributed evenly across the entire cooking chamber. Keep track of your cooking temperature with ease. The professional temperature gauge helps you make confident adjustments throughout the cook. This is built for durability, featuring heavy-gauge steel construction. You can rely on its strength and long-lasting performance for all your barbecue needs. Spend less time tending and more time enjoying. Its large charcoal basket supports a steady burn for longer cooks. Loading fuel and cleaning up is a breeze. The firebox door allows easy access without opening the main chamber. What we like. Achieve authentic barbecue flavor with this versatile smoker and grill. Its large cooking capacity is perfect for gatherings, and the switchable reverse flow system ensures even heat distribution. If you are serious about low and slow cooking and want consistent results for large cuts of meat, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The water smoking pipe is designed with a smooth, ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its innovative filtration system effectively cools and purifies the smoke, resulting in a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. The durable glass construction ensures longevity and is easy to clean, maintaining optimal performance over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.